I just love the new Cardi B album. It is so good. She Bad is like one of my favorites right now. I'm like listening to it on repeat. Anyways, what's up my YouTube people? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, what's up? My name is Jaclyn. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I DIY my audition outfit. If you haven't already and want to be part of the Heart Attack fam, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know anytime I upload, because now if you don't hit that notification bell, YouTube does not tell you when I upload a video. So hit that bell. I understand that sometimes you want something a little bit more tailored to you, or sometimes you just don't have the money to buy something. If you have the extra time and to stay on a budget, then I think this is something that could definitely work for you or anyone. And this video is sponsored by Sparkles. I really love the quality of the rhinestones. They do the Hotfix, which is basically they have a little bit of glue on the back. I have a little bit of glue on the back of the rhinestone, so you can just like apply heat to it. They give you a large quantity for a very little price. It's very reasonable, very affordable. I've purchased from them so many times over the years. So if you guys are interested, I will leave all the details in the description box, and you can go ahead and check out all of the rhinestones because you will not regret it.
Getting started, you will need scissors, needle and thread, glue gun, glue sticks, safety pins, measuring tape, shorts and top of your choosing, extra fabric, and last but not least, extra lots and lots of yummy, beautiful rhinestones.
The total was $9.91. I mean, less than 10 bucks. You get 144 stones. I mean, you really can't beat that. These are a mixed pack, so you're not getting just the big ones, but you're getting a bunch of small ones, so it'll look really nice and authentic. This has got 500 stones in it, and it's 14 bucks, and it's got all sorts of variety of sizes.
All right, so let's start altering these shorts.
The back was great, but the front was way too long. So what I did is I tried them on and I folded them, and then I safety pinned all along here. So as you're going through, you want to stretch it out. The material is stretchy, so it's supposed to stretch. So make sure you're not doing it so tight to where when you put them on and you do a high kick, you like rip the seam of your shorts that you just did. Put some music on, kids, and get to sewing.
So it doesn't look weird in the end. I'm cutting the sides of the shorts, and then I'm gonna sew them both together to kind of give it a little bit of a dip.
And I kind of scrunch it up underneath right there. So then I'm just going to continue to go. And this I did have to, as it's on, because it's easier, because then I know what it looks like. See how it's got just this one little fold there? Now I'm about to start cutting, and this can either end really good or really bad.
So as I'm getting to the end here, I'm gonna cut at an angle, and this part I'm gonna actually sew it flat down. Boom, presto, finite. And just like that, I've got some bomb shorts that I altered on my own. So I pinned the fabric to the shorts, and now I'm gluing it on so I can sew it later.
Just finished sewing all of this on. You can see the stitching. I did it all the way around. Looks kind of crazy and messy on the inside, but you can't really see that on the outside. Put the shorts on like this, and then I stretch them out, sewing them in out. You don't want to sew this just like this. You want to stretch it out so that the fabric will stretch with what's being sewn. I didn't have a mannequin, so this is kind of like my ratchet fabulous way of doing things.
Now we're just going to take countless hours and hours and hours of just putting glue on fabric and putting rhinestones on them. This is the most tedious part of the entire process, but it is definitely necessary and most definitely worth it. Okay, now for the exciting part. Now we're going to start decorating the top.
This part right here, this part actually does come out, but I'm gonna fold this and I'm gonna sew these two together.
I actually ended up using pliers to take this off because it was actually really hard.
I sewed that there, got rid of that clamp so that way this is nice and secure. I was trying to make a pattern, like see I was putting it like in the center of the pearl. I haven't completely decided what I wanted to do with it yet. Doing this with tweezers, by the way, is so much better. This is a lucky charm. I organized these by size. So if you want to compare a lucky charm to the biggest one, you can see how big or small it is. So I have this, and then you compare it to these sizes.
Smallest size is a 10. Then we have the 16 stone size, and then the stone size 20, and then the stone size 30.
Here's the biggest size right there, and this one's the medium, which is that second line. And then the second to smallest is this one, and then the tiniest is obviously that one.
And here, finally, is the final product. After hours and hours of labor, it is finally done.
Turned out so great, so pretty. It turned out really well. The shorts did take me a little bit longer just because I did have to sew them and I had to sew all of this. I just want to say a big thank you to Sparkles for sponsoring this video. I had so much fun making it, even though, like, I'm not even kidding, this outfit took me like 5 days, like non-stop rhinestoning, sewing, and gluing. I really put a lot of love into this outfit. I wanted it to be covered with bling. Show you guys something different. That's why I decided to use the pearls, not be intimidated, and to try different stone colors and sizes. And if you decide to do any yourself, please send them my way because I would love to see them. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you beauties in my next video. Bye.